Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin climbs back above $87,000 following Amazon's $50 billion AI investment, while Franklin Templeton and Grayscale launch new XRP and Dogecoin ETFs amid a wave of institutional crypto products. Bitcoin is trading at $87,354, up from last week's low near $80,000, but still down 7% week over week. Ethereum sits at $2,890, Solana at $136, and XRP at $2.20. Amazon announced a $50 billion investment in AI and supercomputing infrastructure for the US government. Bitcoin miners with AI exposure saw significant gains, with Cypher mining surging 18%, CleanSpark and IREN up 13% each, and Hut-8 rising 9%. Franklin Templeton launched its XRP ETF on November 24th, calling the token foundational to global settlement infrastructure. This comes 5 years after XRP faced mass delistings following the SEC lawsuit against Ripple, which settled in August with a $125 million payment. Bitwise's XRP ETF saw approximately $118 million in inflows since launch. Grayscale also launched XRP and Dogecoin ETFs on the same day. However, Grayscale's Dogecoin ETF recorded zero net inflows on its first trading day, despite approximately $1.4 million in secondary trading volume. Bloomberg analysts estimate over 100 crypto ETFs will launch within the next 6 months. In South Korea, Dunamu, operator of the nation's largest crypto exchange Upbit, announced plans to merge with Naver Financial in a deal valued at approximately $13.8 billion. The merger would make Dunamu a wholly owned Naver Financial subsidiary, with the combined entity targeting a Nasdaq listing at a potential valuation of at least $34.5 billion. The merger focuses on stablecoin development, with Dunamu having created Giwa, a custom Ethereum Layer 2 blockchain for stablecoins and payments. Technical analysts warn Bitcoin faces critical levels ahead. The cryptocurrency needs to reclaim the $87,000 to $88,000 range for sustained gains. Some analysts predict a potential drop to $40,000 if historical patterns repeat, though options markets show growing call volume at $100,000, $112,000, and $116,000 strikes. Deutsche Bank identified 5 factors behind the recent 32% decline: broad risk-off sentiment, hawkish Federal Reserve policy, stalled cryptocurrency legislation, waning institutional interest, and profit-taking by long-term holders. TON rallied 8% to $1.60, driven by the launch of Cocoon, a decentralized AI network created by Telegram founder Pavel Durov with direct integration into Telegram's 900 million users. CME Group set a record with nearly 795,000 cryptocurrency futures and options contracts traded on November 21st. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.